Trending AI tools versus Onpassive tools. What's the difference? Hey everyone, Sarang here, and today we're diving deep into the world of AI. AI is everywhere, from the apps on your phone to the software powering entire industries. But with so many different tools and platforms popping up, it can be tough to wrap your head around it all. What is the difference between trending AI tools and Onpassive tools? We're going to break down the differences and see how Onpassive fits into this rapidly evolving landscape. Get ready to explore the cutting edge of AI and see how it's shaping the future of tech. Let's get started.
Chapter 1. Machine Learning Platforms, the Foundation of AI. Before we jump into specific tools, let's talk about the foundation of it all. Machine learning platforms. These are the heavy lifters, the platforms that allow developers to build and train AI models. We're talking TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, the big names. Think of them like the operating systems for AI development, providing the core infrastructure for everything from image recognition to natural language processing.
Chapter 2. Natural Language Processing, AI that understands you. Natural language processing, or NLP, is all about teaching computers to understand and process human language. We've all seen it in action with chatbots, language translation apps, and even predictive text. Tools like GPT-4, BERT, and SpaCy are leading the charge, enabling developers to create AI that can understand, interpret, and even generate human-like text. It's pretty mind-blowing stuff.
Chapter 3. AI-driven analytics, making sense of data. Data is king in today's world, and AI is the key to unlocking its full potential. AI-driven analytics tools are transforming how businesses analyze and understand their data. Platforms like Power BI with AI capabilities and Tableau with AI integrations are making it easier than ever to uncover hidden patterns and make data-driven decisions. That's the power of AI-driven analytics.
Next up, let's talk about AI that can see. Computer vision is revolutionizing industries from healthcare to automotive, allowing machines to see and interpret images and videos. Tools like OpenCV, YOLO, and Detectron-2 are powering everything from self-driving cars to medical imaging analysis. But what sets Onpassive Tools apart from these trending AI tools? While trending AI tools like TensorFlow, GPT-4, and OpenCV are widely adopted for their innovative features, Onpassive Tools are tailored for business automation and optimization. Onpassive offers a suite of AI-driven business solutions such as OStaff for HR management, OLead for lead generation, OConnect for communication, and OCademy for e-learning. Founders who join Onpassive early can gain a competitive edge through early adoption, benefit from passive income opportunities, and leverage automated business solutions for increased efficiency. The scalability of Onpassive Tools helps businesses grow efficiently, while AI-powered analytics enhance decision-making. Founders also gain access to a global community for networking and support. With continuous innovation, brand credibility, and tools designed for customer acquisition and retention, Onpassive positions founders for long-term success in a rapidly evolving digital landscape.
Now that we've explored some of the leading AI tools out there, let's shift gears and talk about Onpassive. Onpassive is taking a unique approach to AI, building an ecosystem of interconnected tools designed to empower businesses and individuals. One example is OStaff, an AI-driven human resource management system that streamlines the entire HR process. It's like having an entire HR department powered by AI, freeing up businesses to focus on growth and innovation. Lead generation is the lifeblood of any business, and Onpassive's OLead is designed to take it to the next level. This powerful tool leverages AI to identify, qualify, and nurture leads, helping businesses convert prospects into loyal customers. Imagine a system that not only finds your ideal customers, but also nurtures those relationships, leading to increased sales and long-term success. In today's interconnected world, communication is key, and Onpassive's OConnect provides a seamless and secure platform for video conferencing and collaboration. OConnect goes beyond traditional video conferencing tools, offering features like screen sharing, file transfer, and real-time chat within a secure environment. Lifelong learning is more important than ever, and Onpassive's Ocademy provides a cutting-edge e-learning platform designed to empower individuals with the skills and knowledge they need to succeed. Ocademy offers a wide range of courses and resources, covering everything from digital marketing and AI to personal development and leadership.
One of the most exciting things about Onpassive is the opportunity for early adoption. Founders who join early can benefit from being at the forefront of this innovative ecosystem. This early adoption can translate into a competitive edge as they leverage new technologies and tools before they become mainstream.
Onpassive's model includes passive income opportunities through the company's unique compensation plan. This could include earning residual income from the success of the ecosystem and the recruitment of new members. The potential for passive income with Onpassive is an intriguing aspect for those seeking financial flexibility and long-term growth.
So what's the difference between trending AI tools and Onpassive? It really comes down to approach. Trending AI tools are often specialized solutions focused on specific tasks or industries. Onpassive, on the other hand, is building a comprehensive ecosystem of interconnected AI-powered tools designed to empower businesses and individuals. It's an ambitious vision, but one that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of AI and technology. Until next time.